Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Shah. Today we're going to talk about how to make this brushing and flossing an enjoyable process for kids. I've told you this before. I have a son, and believe me, it was not easy to brush his teeth when he was a baby. So if you have a child who's giving you a hard time brushing, you're not the only one. So let's talk about a few things that can make this process easy and more enjoyable for them. First of all, routine. Create a routine, and that once you have a routine for your child, everything will become easy. Brush their teeth every morning and every night, right from the time the tooth erupts. When you do that, they will be less likely to fight. But nevertheless, some of the kids will still fight. But here's the good news. When they come to an age of understanding, your life will become easy. Reading is the best way to make them understand. There are a lot of books out there that you can read to them to make them understand the importance of brushing their teeth. My book, No Rushing When Brushing, is available on Amazon. It really reinforces the need to brush their teeth in the morning and at night. It's also available in Spanish. It's called Cepillate los dientes con calma. So read to them and make them understand the need. Like I said, when you make them understand the need for brushing their teeth, they will fight less and they'll be more acceptable of it. Now, how do we make it fun for them? Brush as a family, brush together in the morning and at night. And it may not be possible to brush together every morning, every night. At least try to do it at night or a couple of times a week. They'll look forward to it. Since you're doing it all together, it's more fun. Another trick I have is play their favorite song and tell them that we are going to brush from the time the song starts till the song ends. Hey, dance with them while you're brushing their teeth. Make it fun. Like I said, if it's fun, they'll do it more often and they will like it, and they won't fight back. And then another thing is they'll want to be independent. They'll want to do it on their own. Let them do it on their own and you go over it because they're not going to brush their teeth effectively. They're going to leave some plaque behind. So girls and boys usually need help until the age of 6 to 7, but some may need even longer, especially boys. I know I have a boy. They are going to need help a little longer than girls. So with that, I hope I will make this process easy for you. Until we come back and meet again, you have a wonderful time and I will see you soon. Bye.